Hello traders, hope you are all doing good. So in line with our expectation, we put a video yesterday, we put a thumbnail that we don't have to panic, markets are going to stabilize. So what happened yesterday, we explained clearly that due to Democrat Senate McCain from West Virginia doesn't want to vote for the Build Back Act bill. So Dow was Goldman Sachs came out with a report. They were reducing the GDP of US GDP. They reduced from 3% to 2%. So the market was falling. So the market was falling, but it was not falling so much. Like what happened is yesterday is that when our markets were closing, it was US future Dow future was trading down by around 500 or 550 600 points. Then when the US markets opened also, it traded around 500. Dow was trading down by 500 600 points, but it closed sharply, very less, like it closed 4 and down by just 450 points. And today morning Asian markets were all in the green. That is because China has reduced the interest rate for the first time in 20 years. So Chinese markets are all in the green. They reduced the rate because Chinese economy is not performing. They are having some other issue. They are having a real estate issue, that and this. So they want to boom the economy. They know their economy, Chinese economy, is slowing down. And in 2020, Chinese economy is the only economy which was performing. Apart from China, all other world economy was not performing. Now Chinese authorities are seeing a sluggishness in Chinese economy, so they have reduced the interest rate. So that was a positive news, and all the Chinese Asia Pacific markets, Hong Kong, Shanghai, all were in the green. Apart from that, if you see in this side of this world, now when we were trading today morning when we opened, Europe was slightly in the green, and even US markets were also in the green. It was just flat. I think it was up by 100 or 150 points. But after our market closed, so now it is pre-market. If you see the US pre-market, it is up by around 300 or 350 points. I am talking about Dow futures. The reason is because Moderna came out with a statement that they can produce a booster vaccination which is having 73% efficiency in Omicron variant of coronavirus. Plus, US President Joe Biden is also going to give a speech about this Omicron. In fact, US market, USA is a country. In US, the number of cases, 70% of cases, corona cases reported are Omicron. So they are having a serious issue. So he is going to talk something about that. So due to these two reasons, one is Moderna coming out with a statement, and due to and US President Joe Biden coming out and giving a speech about this Omicron has boosted the this thing US futures, and you know what will happen. Now SGX Nifty is also up by around 30 or 35 points, right? Now what will happen tomorrow, we really don't know. We are also having our own problems. See, FIAs are keep on selling, and look at the volatility today. Simply very terrible. Feeling very, nowadays I am feeling very hard to manage the positions. So in just 5 minutes or even 10 minutes, it is moving 200, 300 points. From yesterday's high, which is around where 17,000, where it has come. Yesterday we touched around 16,000. We touched 16,000. Yesterday's low was 16,400, and from 16,400 today we touched almost 16,950 levels. 17,000 day before yesterday. Yesterday's low was 16,400. Today's high is 17,000. How do you manage this type of moves? Very hard. Very, very hard. And Bank Nifty also, even though Nifty performed, Bank Nifty was not performing. But if you see this in a 5 minutes candlestick chart, what I am seeing is this gap which was formed the day before yesterday or 17th of December. this 17,000 to 16,800 gap has to be taken out for the market to go on the upside. Even if it goes on the upside, there is a strong resistance at 17,000 or 17,000, between 17,000 to 17,200 levels. Now today what happened, Nifty, look at this inverted V shape this thing. Morning it is gapping up, it is going on the upside 16,950, then it is coming all the way down to 16,700. Today morning after seeing this, I went long, then I went short, then I am going again long. Oh my god. So highly volatile market. I don't know how you people are managing. I find it very difficult. You let me know in the comment section below. And Bank Nifty, you don't have to talk. Bank Nifty is simply in a different world. And all these things says only one thing, that markets are likely to consolidate. For now, I am having a consolidation stance. Upside is limited. Upside resistance is at around 17,000, and downside resistance is somewhere around 17th low. 17th December we made a 17th December we made a low of around 16,400. So 16,400 is going to be a good support. And on the upside, once this 17,000 is taken, 17,200 level is going to be a good resistance. So tomorrow or day after tomorrow it has to take, and I don't think it is going to happen till expiry. So we will have to wait and see till how the market reacts, and we should be, I think till expiry it is going to consolidate between, it is going to wander between 17,000 and 16,400. So we will have to wait and see. And if you see the open interest also, 17,000 is having the highest open interest on the call side. So that act as a super resistance, and downside there is nothing. 16,400 there is some put writing. Apart from that, Nifty and Bank Nifty, heavy call writing is happening both in Nifty and Bank Nifty. So with that being said, I think markets are likely to consolidate for at least till this expiry, which is only 2 more trading session. And this month was highly volatile. It was super volatile. It was all over the places, and I was I found it very hard to manage my positions also. This kind of volatility. Yesterday I was shorting the market. No. Then what happened today morning? Even though yesterday we shorted the market, we closed some position and we were neutral. We were expecting markets to be range bound, and even this gap up was expected. But what I didn't expect this V-shape, inverted V-shape price action in Nifty. Morning I was long. From non-directional we went long. From long we went short. Then short we again going long. You see how complicated these things are getting day by day. So we will wait and see how things pan out. For now, till expiry, upside 17,000 is going to be a good resistance, and downside 16,400, which was formed on 17th of December, is going to be a good support. So that's it, nothing much. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye.